And when you have bad teeth, you don't smile a lot. You don't, you don't feel comfortable smiling. And I used to smile a lot, and then I quit smiling a lot because of self-consciousness. The temporary things that I had before, they always would move. It was hard to eat. It was hard, they never felt right.
Raymond first came to us, his family referred him because he's always complained about, he had a partial denture and it didn't fit well and he couldn't eat with it and he wasn't confident smiling. And so he came to us and he wanted to know if he could have implants.
Once I got over here and saw Dr. Barksdale and he saw what I had in, he told me how much better the total would be. And I thought it was a great idea, and that's when I went and did it.
And what Raymond chose to do was have 7 implants on his upper and to do fixed teeth so that he could be as close to having natural teeth as possible.
Everything changed. I mean, I'm talking about my eating, my smile. I felt a whole lot better about myself. I'm totally grateful for getting a good job Dr. Barksdale and the staff did.